Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at an easy way to avoid saving commands in your command history. In other words, particular commands. The first thing you need to do is to set your hist control variable to include ignore space. So I'm going to do that. And what that is going to do is it's going to ensure that anytime I type a command, by preceding it with a blank, it won't be stored in my history buffer. So I type echo hello there, and of course it says hello there. Now I'm going to type a second command just to demonstrate how this works, where I type a blank and then my command, and it says goodbye there. Then I'm going to run the history command, but just look at the last few lines so I can show you what it recorded. And you can see I have a pwd command in there. I have a command that says echo hello there, which I just typed, and the history command that shows the last few commands, but it doesn't include the goodbye there because I started that command with a blank. Well, that's your Linux tip for keeping select commands that you enter from being recorded in your command history. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.